Try hosting a game day shanty shindig. Hosting a DIY shanty bar can elevate your game day party to the next level. What is a shandy? A shandy is a drink composed of half beer and a half non-alcoholic juice-based beverage. Typically and more traditionally, they are more of a citrus-based or lemon-based beverage. To create a shanty, you want to start with a light beer, wheat beer, lager, or pilsner. Any combination will make a nice shanty. You could even use a ginger beer for a little added kick. Typically, the ratio is 6 ounces of beer to 2 ounces of juice. Here are a few of the combinations we enjoyed creating with lemonade, orange juice, cranberry juice, lime juice, and pineapple juice. See more recipes and ideas at www.genrondesigns.com.